What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.046, down about 10% on the day. Sitting market cap about 315 million. 24-hour volume all the way down to 374 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Sign up to either or. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's hop into the chart. So Gala broke down from our wedge. Looks like we're coming down in a typical ABC correction. That will take us down into our yellow box wave 2 retracement zone in between the 0.786 and the 0.5 at about 0.020 and 0.029. Not too much to update here. So far the wave count is playing out. The minimum target is the 382 for a wave 2 pullback. And of course the bearish scenario is we break 0.020, which would give you a higher likelihood of coming down in a lower low. But as of right now, I don't think that's the more likely scenario. As you can see, we still have more room for this divergence to play out on the 4-hour time frame, as I do think it will play out and reach oversold, and you'll see a little bit more pullback to the downside. Of course, anything can happen. You can break out at any time. You just have to look at what is the more probable scenario. On the daily time frame, we have the 20 EMA creeping up on the candles. So there is potential, of course, anything can happen, that this is a bull flag. So if you were to just hold the 20 EMA, break out to the upside, you can measure your flagpole, take it to your point of breakout. And that would take our friend Gala Games all the way up to about 10 cents. Actually would push you right up to this resistance here for the price of Gala. So do watch for that. I don't think it's a likely scenario that we just consolidate and shoot to the upside, but as I mentioned, anything is possible. We have had the bullish cross, which is a strong sign, and if we can hold the EMAs on the daily, we see continuation, then we definitely have to look at a bottom being in for our friend Gala Games. All right, gang, so in the short term, what you would look for is for the price. The B wave may not be complete yet. It's a 3-wave move. I can already count a 3-wave move. You came up in a wave A, this is a wave B pullback, pushed up in a wave C. So you may be seeing a 1, 2, and then you would come down in a 3, 4, 5 to complete that wave C to the downside. If we do come up and break this high of about 0.055, then the stronger likelihood is that you will see that continuation to the upside. But in the short term, I do think we're going to see some more pullback. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses and email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals, which can be very helpful in your trading journey. News updates for coins like Gala, Matic, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and you can see what I'm doing with Maharo All Plays, see how the members are doing with their own trades. They like to post their profits in here. All of that's coming in at 10 bucks a month, same price as a Netflix subscription. Everything else is completely free. Email me your sign up email to one of the exchanges and I'll give you completely free access. All right, much love. Take care.